Hey there. So I'm in Cape Town in my hotel room, and it's Wednesday the 24th, and I left my house on Monday the 22nd. And I've never flown for so long in my life. I did like an 11-hour flight to London, and then I had a 5-hour layover, but a really good hamburger. And then I did a 12-hour flight from London to Cape Town that was interminable. Oh my God. So tired. And then, because I didn't want to miss anything, I arranged for a tour guide to pick me up at the hotel 20 minutes after I arrived. And I spent the entire rest of the day sightseeing, which was fantastic. But I kept falling asleep in the back of the car, and I know he was looking in the rearview mirror, and I felt like I was insulting him. Oh well. So I'm just going to show you a few pictures of my day in Cape Town because I am going to bed, and I promise to blog more fascinating, energetic blogs this week from the cruise. Okay? I promise. I promise.
I wish I could always see the world through colored glasses. I would hold on to the magic, oh, the magic.